Hi gorgeous, it's Adele from Get Gorgeous. I am on my Pilates retreat and I have the wonderful Sandra with me.
Hi.
And I'd like to introduce you to Sandra, find out a little bit about her, find out about her expectations about the retreat and what she's got from it. So tell us a little bit about you, Sandra.
Okay, so I'm actually a co-owner of a manufacturing business. Manufacturing raw
Down
British
to earth,
manufacturing,
yes.
down to earth, not girly by any stretch of the imagination. I'm actually known as a bit of a hard nailed businesswoman in the business world. So this is completely away from my day job.
Excellent.
Completely away.
And have you ever been on a retreat before?
Never.
So what were your
Never.
expectations of a retreat? Did you think you'd be able to cope with one?
I didn't know, one, would I be able to mix?
Ah,
Because I don't mix in
girly environment.
Yeah, I'm not girly. I like
Yeah.
the nice things in life. My expectation, I think, was I wanted to be fitter.
Yeah.
I wanted to just get some real mind space. But yeah, I was petrified, if I'm completely
Oh,
honest.
bless you. And I think a lot of people are before they make that first step. It is
Yeah.
quite daunting.
It's daunting because let's be really honest, you know, this is it's money.
I was going to say that. Did you pay for the retreat yourself?
I did. I paid for it all myself.
And how did that feel? Was that uncomfortable?
That felt like I had to really justify it to myself.
Yeah. Well, because you were spending that money on you rather than
Yeah.
something else for the house or
Absolutely.
for the family.
If it was for the family, if it was for hubby, if it was for somebody else, I wouldn't think twice.
Yeah.
But I think isn't that embedded in women?
Yes, completely.
I
I find
think-
it so difficult to look after ourselves, and it's
Yeah.
so difficult.
Yeah, I mean, as you know, I've been on an amazing journey with you over the last year, and I'm one of the biggest advocates of self-care now
Good.
because I couldn't do my day job.
Yeah.
If I'm completely honest, I really couldn't do my day job.
Your productivity was low, your energy was
Yeah,
low.
got no energy. My mind capacity wasn't good. I wasn't a very nice person to be around, if I'm really honest.
But you are now.
Well, so they tell me, but yeah.
So what have you experienced on this retreat? What has it done for you?
Gosh, I've met some amazing people.
Oh, that's what I was going to ask you. What was the group dynamic like for you?
Do you know, it is the different people that are here.
Yeah, different walks of life.
Completely. And do you know what? Do you know what has actually been the theme for me? Everybody has been on some kind of a journey
Yeah.
that has been actually quite a hard journey
Yeah.
of self-discovery and realising that they actually are worth a bit of investment in themselves.
Yeah.
And it's taken some really things to break them a little bit,
Yeah.
and that's quite sad that we have to get to that point.
Yes, I hear what you're saying. So you get so low and so
Yeah.
overworked, burnt out that you think, right, I've got to do something about it,
Yeah.
rather than making an everyday
Absolutely.
self-care. Yeah.
Yeah,
I completely
absolutely.
hear you.
Yeah, it's I've actually made it my mission over the last 6 months since working with yourself to actually, I know that I have to invest in me. My favourite phrase, invest in me, so everyone gets the best of me.
Yes, applaud you for that. Fantastic.
Drive them all mad with that phrase, but do you know what? It's absolutely true.
Yeah,
It's
you
true.
do. So tell me a little bit about the meditations. Do you meditate regularly?
I do meditate at home.
Okay, so how
Yeah.
did you find the meditations here? Were they okay?
Oh, they were fantastic.
Oh, good.
It is so different when you actually allow yourself, give yourself permission
Yeah,
to actually take this time and get out of it what you want.
yeah.
And
Brilliant.
it was the going deep, the thing. As you know, I'm going to record you tomorrow morning.
Oh, yes.
Because I want to take you away with me so that I can actually carry that on at home
Yeah, good.
to recreate this space.
Yes, yes, I hear what you're saying. So it's going to aid your transformation.
Absolutely.
Keep going.
Yeah.
So what the group dynamic you enjoyed? You enjoyed
Yes.
all the different personalities, and it was a bit of room sharing. How did you get on with that?
I was really nerve-wracking at first because I've never done room sharing. I didn't do sleepovers when I was a kid, if I'm honest. So I was a bit daunted.
Yeah.
But you know what? Everybody's so lovely.
Yeah.
Everybody. Jo has just been amazing.
Good. So these
She
are
is-
people that you'd never met before.
God, no.
And are
didn't
you
know
best
them.
buddies now?
Oh, we are. We're friends. We're already friends on Facebook. I know about her family. She knows about mine.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So if somebody was nervous about coming along to their first retreat, what would you say to them?
Oh, just take it as an adventure.
That's
Go
great.
with a completely open mind. I think because I came with such an open mind, I
Yes.
didn't have any preconceptions, but I came knowing that I wanted to get the most out of this.
Brilliant. Thank you so much for sharing it with us, Sandra.
No, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for asking me.
Take care.
Thanks.